Thank you.
Coach, this is also your first win as head coach of Phoenix. How significant was the way the team won, leading almost the entire game and beating the defending champions?
Well, I mean, it's very significant, even without talking about the. It's very significant, even without talking about the 10-game losing streak. It's just, knowing that we have the ability to beat a champion team like SMB. You kind of get into that rut of man, what bad thing is going to happen next. So really for the players to actually know that this team is capable, that's big.
Coach, we also saw a change in the second half after coming from the loss in this game. There was a sense of making sure you close this out. How would you like to see the players with their experiences from today in the upcoming preparation?
Pakiulit sa ano sinabi mo about the second half? Hindi ko narinig, sorry.
We saw a change in the second half effort compared to the
Effort, okay.
that you had. Today there was a sense of making sure that you close this out. How would you like to see the players take their experiences from today in their upcoming preparations?
Siyempre, as a coach, gusto ko na magre-react sila kahit hindi ako sumisigaw. Sumigaw ako kanina. Ayoko maging ganyan. Pero siyempre pag the moment calls for it. Kagaya kinusap ako ni Richie sa practice ng isang araw. Kasi close kami nung I think wala pa.
Since I was grade school po.
Nung grade school pa to, kilala ko na to. Tatay niya coach ko, nung player pa ako. So we're very close and lumapit siya sa akin. Tapos sinabi niya, Coach, do you think that you should shout more? Sabi ko, hindi naman ako ganyan. Pero he responded to that, but when the time calls for it, don't you think you should? So, syempre, as a first-time head coach, malaki yan sa akin because for him to come up to me and make a suggestion like that takes bravery. So, I really thought about it and I felt really that the time called for it kanina. So, the sense of urgency coming out of the second half, more than me shouting at them, I think it was them and their will to win and the camaraderie that they have as a team.
Congrats.
Thank you. Congrats again, sorry.
Thank you, Coach. Molina, we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Congratulations. Now that you have this first victory, nakakailangan naman o there's still that adjustment period?
Hindi. I think the adjustment doesn't stop. Tuloy-tuloy yung adjustment. And pinakita namin kanina is just, a small portion of yung gusto namin, ilabas sa court. And the team is relatively new. We have 7 new guys. So these guys are still learning how to get the best out of each other, and I'm still learning how to get the best out of them, and I'm still trying to find the best in me as well.
Coach, when the schedule came out and it said TNT and San Miguel in the first 2 games, what was your reaction? And did you kind of expect na rin na at least you get to win at least one dito sa stretch mo?
Siyempre, gusto namin makuha lahat ng games. Pero wala naman na expectations as far as we need to win 1 or we need to win 2 or we can't lose both. Ako na-excite ako nung nakita ko Talking Tex and San Miguel. Not because they're really, really strong teams, but because I played for both coaches. Coach Chot was my coach when I played for San Miguel. And then Coach Leo was my coach when I was in the PBL playing for Wellco. He actually owe a lot of me being in the PBA to him. And he knows that. So dun ako na-excite when I saw the schedule. I looked at it as a great opportunity to, you know, when the master meets the student, parang ganun, something. So, no expectations as far as wins or losses, just let's play our best and let's continue to grow. I don't want us to be the same team that we were yesterday, today.
Richie, yung after your up by 10, maganda ng second quarter, but then the third, yung team ka San Miguel come back, but you guys were able to hold it off. Paano ba na yun?
First half, 5 minutes lang.
Actually, medyo nakita ko rin yung situation kasi I wasn't really there at the time. Pero ang nakikita ko lang is, syempre, we were up nga, diba, during the first half. So sometimes there are times teams tend to relax starting the second half, and I think that's really what happened during that stretch. Pero again, yung eagerness lang din talaga namin to really get this win. Again, first to give Coach Willie his first win, PBA win, diba? And also, yun nga, gusto namin ma-start talaga dapat itong conference na with a win, and we weren't able to do that in sa first game, so that's what happened na siguro ngayon.
Second one mo, you were hurting nung mga final seconds, pero you were able to come up with the
Puro shots.
steal fell from Lebanese.
Puro abs, no lower back.
No, I got hit on my left butt cheek.
Hindi siya nag-glitz.
Yeah, so medyo nagulat lang din ako. And medyo hindi ko siya ma-step at the time. Now I can na. I was able to recover fast. But then yeah, yun lang, nagpasab ako kasi, I mean, I don't wanna be medyo pabigat dun sa last seconds, diba? I mean, we were up good naman, I think, by a couple of points, 4, something like that. Pero, yung gusto ko lang din manalo, so sabi ko, mina lang, para lang healthy nasa loob.
Isip mo prompted you to, yun na follow ko na sinabi ni Coach Willie about sticking to him, magaling naman siya. What prompted you to say that to Coach Willie?
I mean, I've seen him since I was, I don't know, as in super bata pa po ako noon. And nakikita ko na siya ever since. I do look up to this guy so much. Palagi siyang sinasabi ng dad ko na like a good example sa team and all that. Kaya nakatingin din kami ng brothers namin sa kanya growing up, like while watching their practices before. And also, hindi ko nga siya masyado nakikitang sumisigaw talaga. I think the whole stay ko sa Phoenix once lang, ever since. And then,
Nalala ko yun.
yeah, hindi pa siya head coach nun. But then, yun, sabi ko lang, I mean, I wouldn't mind, diba, if sisigawan ka kasi if lahat naman tayo gusto nating manalo, diba? Just listen to the thought, not the how they deliver the message.
Coach, yung Bigs naman yun, kasi naman na I think they went out to naman with Junmar, tatla kayo sa rebounds ng San Miguel.
Siyempre masaya ako na we're bigger this conference. We brought in Yusuf Taha. I think Yusuf gave me 26 minutes. We brought in Prince Caporal. He gave me 18 minutes. Prince was on fire in that first half. Yusuf with his energy and his spirit, the sense of urgency that he brings, the communication and leadership that both bigs bring. I was teammates with both of those guys, so I'm very familiar with them, and I just challenged them, and they challenged themselves and each other to really bring it against Jumar. There's no big in the league that can stop Jumar. Walang stop kay Jumar. So, for them to just, kind of provide, a roadblock or kahit humps lang. So just to slow him down. it worked. So I mean, we came away with the win. He still had 19 points and 22 rebounds, 11 offensive rebounds, but they stuck with it. Hindi sila na-discourage, and then they kept on playing.
Chi, kanina wrestling na natin si Phil. So, can you just talk about na yung naglalaro kayo sa PBA?
Oh yeah, I think today was a good day. Also my dad, UP, congrats to UP, congrats to Prince. But I don't really wanna congratulate Prince because we haven't played here. So I'm really looking forward to that. I mean, yes, we're brothers. I'm happy for him, pero I still need to, I think, focus dito pa rin. Pero yeah, again, congrats to him. Pero yun nga, mas kailangan pa namin siguro pagtuunan ng pansin yung growth ng team.
No more questions. We thank you, Coach Willie Wilson.